Now, what are lists and how can you use these lists within your marketing? Lists are segmentations of your customers. Not every customer receives the same kind of communication. As an example, when you're interacting with someone for the first time, the information you may send them may differ from someone who just paid you yesterday. The person that may have paid you yesterday might be doing things like sending them thank you messages, whereas the person that might have interacted with you for the first time, you could be just introducing your service to them and how exactly you can help them. Now, the role of these lists is to help you break down your customers, your leads, and any contacts that you may have. Now, to access these lists, all you have to do is go right here on the left menu where you see the word lists. And on these lists themselves, you can create a new list. As an example, new users of our app. So there are two kinds of lists that you have. Number one are static lists. Look at static lists as the lists that are, should I say, manual, the ones where you're the one going to intentionally add people to these lists. Then a smart segment lists are the ones which are automated. As an example, everyone that fits this certain criteria, automatically add them from me to this list. To create a static selection, just select static list. So just click static selection, then click continue. Now, once you select this, there are different ways of adding users to lists. Well, number one, you can select the contact from right here, and from that contact, you can add a person from here. Same thing applies when you go to a given contact, you also have the option to add that given contact to that list. And once you're done adding them to the list, all you have to do is click save. Now, where these lists come in handy is when you're sending out, as an example, blast emails or blast messages, or you're creating automations. They help you segment that, you know what, I only want to send this piece of information to this given segment of people. And that would allow you to go ahead and send whatever relevant piece of information you need to send to that group of people. So yeah, in a nutshell, that's what lists are for. That is the entire process of creating of these lists. And yeah, that's all from today's video. Bye-bye.